Is Great Stirrup Cay actually worth it on your first Norwegian cruise? Or is it just another crowded beach stop? Today I'm showing you exactly what it's like, the beaches, the new lagoon, the food, and whether upgrades like Vibe Beach Club are actually worth your money.
What's included? What costs extra? Is it relaxing or is it packed? If this is your first cruise with Norwegian, this stop can feel like a big question mark. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect and whether this stop is going to be something you'll enjoy.
Right now, Norwegian Cruise Line uses tender boats to get you from the ship to the island. It's simple, organized, it only takes a few minutes. Soon there's going to be a pier, which will make it a lot easier. And once you step off the boat, this is what you see. This is where most first-time cruisers spend their day.
The good news, a lot of this is free. The beach access is free, your cruise card works for food, and the lounge chairs are free.
But here's something you need to know. The vibe changes depending on where you sit. If you stop at the very first beach area, it can feel a little busy midday, but if you walk just a few minutes further down, it gets noticeably quieter, and most first-time cruisers don't realize that. Now, there can be a lot of walking on this island, but there are trams that take you throughout the island, and they are complimentary, so if you have trouble walking, be sure to check these out. Food on the island is completely complimentary. There's tables and chairs and restaurant here with a buffet options that you can check out at any time throughout the day. If you're cruising with kids, you may want to check out this area, Splashaway Bay. It's great for kids and it's brand new as part of their new renovations. If you have little ones, this is definitely worth checking out. But honestly, the beaches aren't the biggest surprise here. The Lagoon, which is brand new, completely changes the experience. But here's something to note, it can get crowded midday.
When I heard Norwegian added a massive resort-style pool, I didn't think it would change much, but it actually does.
Now this is not what most people expect from a cruise private island. This new improvement in their private island makes it feel less like a beach day and more like a resort day. So if you're not a big ocean swimmer, this might actually be one of your favorite spots. There's more updates coming to this private island, like Great Tides Water Park, which is going to be done by the summer. So if you'd like the full review, I'll link my video to this in the description below. One of the benefits of this private island is your beverage package works at the pool bar. It works at any bar on the island. It's all included if you have the beverage package. If you want some vacation energy, music, drinks, swim up bar, this is it. If you want a quiet, stick to the beaches.
Everything we saw before was free. This costs more, but it definitely feels different.
This is the Vibe Shore Club, the paid adult-only section. This private area includes beach chairs, lounge chairs, umbrellas, and also your own private beach and buffet area. That is all included in the price. This paid area is worth the price if you want somewhere adult-only and quiet.
So is Great Stirrup Cay worth it? If this is your first cruise with Norwegian, then I say yes, especially if it matches your travel style. Beaches are easy and family-friendly. The Lagoon-style pool has a high-energy resort-style feel, and Vibe is an adult-only upgrade option. Don't forget to grab that free cruise packing list below. It covers everything that first-time cruisers often forget. If you're new to cruising, don't forget to check out my video of 15 mistakes first-time cruisers make. I'll link it in the description and I'll put it up here. I make these videos to help first-time cruisers travel smarter, so if that's you, I'll see you in the next one.